This is Azureus Toll Service, and this is the project we created for HackFS 2020. Roshan Kumar Chaudhary created the front-end app, Soumya Didwania created the smart contracts, and Shubham Sharma created the back-end server. We identified the lack of a frictionless transaction process at toll gates and designed a decentralized solution that allows a toll authority to conduct secure transactions by cutting out untrustworthy middlemen and on-chain verification. How it works is this idea has the potential to introduce much needed reforms in the traditional toll collection systems, which in many countries is still cash only. The registration will be swift and easy for users, who most likely will only need to share a picture of their driving license and email. For the registration process, access tokens will be verified via Google Auth. Once the user is registered, users will be able to deposit fiat money into the account. For us, it's a CDN currency. In the post-COVID world, contactless payment will be made via a QR code. The user will scan the code and the program will verify account balance by maintaining an ERC20 balance and transferring for each deduction, which provides automation and transparency. We use Fleek and Space-Daemon for storage and encryption of customer and as well as toll data.
Now I'm going to give the demo of the application. As you can see, if I sign in, it's done via Google Auth. I'm going to choose an account. This type of account will be a Toll Plaza account. I'm filling in the document ID as any placeholder for now. The car will be the price deducted for cars, truck, bike, and government vehicles which are exempted generally will be 0. Continuing. Now an account has been created. If you can see, the user info has my username, my document ID, a unique Ethereum address, and the form status. You can see the balance is 0, and I can generate a QR which corresponds to this toll. I'm going to use this for users. Now I'm going to create a user account. I'm going to choose a different account for this purpose. Now this will be a customer account. I'll be filling in the details requested. For the driving license, I'm going to place a placeholder again, and the vehicle number will be this. Now as you can see that the 4th and 5th digit is BK, which corresponds to that of a bike. Similarly, CR is car, EK is truck, otherwise it's the government. Now the user info is the username, license number, a unique Ethereum address, the vehicle number, and the form status. Now if you can check the balance, it's initially 0, but I can add money to it, in which case I'm going to mint my own currency, and that would be a CDN currency, which is the fiat currency. Now I waited some time, and as you can see, my balance has incremented and is now 100 CDN. Now I can use it to pay to a toll. I'm going to allow it and pay to the toll plaza. This QR code we just changed. Now I waited some time for the transaction to go through, and if you can check the balance now, it's 90. 10 has been deducted as it's a bike. We can view the transaction details on the Goldly network, and it says that's a success. That was done 1 minute ago. Form and 2 on the contract details. Now I'm going ahead and deleting my account, and this will revoke my account.
Now I'm going to give a demo of how we're using Fleek as a storage. As you can see that the server is running on the back end. I'm going to send a request of creating a new user via Postman with the required details. You can see that it's being requested. Now I want you to notice the hash that is being used over here. It ends with JZM. Now we're going to go back to the Fleek UI. See on Fleek that it has been updated to the latest hash, and on downloading it, we can see that it has appended the following values.
Demo of the Space-Daemon implementation. We are implementing this to enforce the encryption to a file system. So we'll go ahead with the demo. Now we'll hit on the API, which is create user, so that you will see the server responses on the right hand and the Space-Daemon responses on the left hand of the screen. So now the create user has been hit. So as you can see, the file wasn't there, so it says file do not found. We'll create a new file and then store it to the Space-Daemon, and the response comes back, and with that we have a hash which has the value whatever it's stored, and now we'll revoke users, then we'll extract the file from the storage, and then it will edit the file and re-upload it. So re-uploaded file will contain the timestamp with it, so that we can keep track of the latest file. So as you can see that it is extracting the file, it is reading.
So our future work